So this is some more advice when you're going to do a long distance move. Do keep in mind, there is a couple things that I would recommend that you do before you hire any moving company. Okay. So one, I've made videos on this before. Never go with a broker. Two, you can verify that by going on the fmcsa.gov/carrier search website, and it'll show you the company snapshot. It'll also tell you if they're a broker or if they're an actual carrier. One, you know that you're dealing with a broker when you put your information on a website and you get a million emails and then your phone starts blowing up left and right. 100% that's a broker. That is not a carrier. Okay. Two, if you decide, if let's say you pick 1, 2, 3 moving companies and you want to go get quotes from them, that's fine. Get your quotes. But before you decide, go on that website and it'll show you company snapshot, like, their safety score, if they're a legit carrier, what state they're in. If you're moving out of state, I 100% pick a company that's here locally, not that they're located in Florida. Don't ever do that. Two, make sure you know what kind of quote you're getting. There's binding and then there's non-binding. The parameters of how you get quoted are the same, by weight, cubic feet, miles, stuff like that. But how, what governs those quotes is entirely different. And what I mean by that is, if you get a non-binding quote, it's quoted the exact same way as binding. The only difference is let's say you get quoted and you have 7,000 pounds, for example, right? I know you don't know what that means, but here's the example. And they show up. What they do is they weigh the truck before they come. Once your stuff goes onto the truck, even though the inventory could be accurate, the same thing you told them when they did the on-site is the same thing going the day of, right? But nobody comes through with a scale and weighs all the furniture, right? It's all based on averages. So let's say you're quoted at 7,000 pounds and you're going to, let's say Arizona, right? And then they weigh the truck before they come. Once they come, they put all your stuff on the truck and then they go re-weigh the truck. And then that's how they find out what the actual weight of your shipment is. And let's say it comes out to 9,000 pounds, right? So now there's a difference in the weight, even though the inventory is accurate. Well, they can and they will upcharge you for that on a non-binding. But also vice versa, if it weighs less, you could get some money back. If they're honest about it, they would give you money back on the quote. Now, binding is how we do it. That's how we do it. So what binding is, you're quoted the same. It's the same kind of process, based on weight, cubic feet, plus miles, how far you're going. But the thing is let's say you have your inventory 7,000 pounds and we quote you X price. As long as your inventory is accurate, when we show up, that price is binded to said inventory. So it doesn't matter if it weighs less or it weighs more. The price will never change. So before you get a quote, make sure you know what kind of quote you're getting. That way you're not surprised day of. And if you would like a long distance quote from us, go to musclemoverslv.com or give us a call at 702-445-7873.